Morning, everybody. It's 8:50 on Tuesday, the 27th, and this is your pre-opening comment. It's video number 1469. So Europe and Asia were both up overnight, almost like somebody's flipped a switch last night in the middle of the night. Stocks across all of the major indexes are higher. Earlier at 7:30, we were up 338 in the Dow since the durable goods orders numbers came out. We are now up about 360. Uh, the Nasdaq was up 194, currently up about 200. So these are all pretty much in line. S&P up 54 versus 57 currently. Okay, so durable goods were down. Um, they were down 0.2 after last month's down 0.3. X transportation, they went from down 2 to up 0.2%, and X defense, which is now showing up to be a huge number with everything that the senile president is sending over to Europe. X defense, it was actually down 0.9. So that's pretty decent size vis-a-vis defense spending. As I said, Asia and Europe were slightly higher. There's one of the Fed governors came out saying, we're all thinking about the same, and we think we can avoid a recession. This is the same group that told you there was no inflation, so I don't really put too much stock in what any of the Fed governors say. Interest rates after those numbers came out were actually down. The 210 spread is back to 42 after last night being substantially higher. I think it was 44 or 45. Okay, chart on the screen is, again, the only one that seems to count, which is the dollar, and we're down a little. And so because the dollar is down, we are up across the board in all futures. Grains are up. Oil is up. All of the oil distillates are up. Gold is up. Silver is up. The softs are up, except, of course, lumber, which is now back in the 400 area. I commented on that this week. It's not something that we trade because it's so thin and erratic, but it is coming down. And some of the housing stocks are up a little. Bitcoin up over 1,000, 1,110. Ethereum up 66, and the bonds, after being down 2.5 yesterday, are up not very much, 12/30 seconds. That translates into 3/8 of a point. I don't know whether this is a dead cat bounce or something more, but clearly the issue in making any kind of disposition in the market is to check the internals. We'll have to see what advanced declines look like. We'll have to see what volume in the market is and what the advanced declines are across all of the indexes. All right, everyone, be careful out there.